The next one is we have got some tough exercise. See, we need to remember 30 words. This is the speciality of this class session. You can remember 30 words. I will teach you. The first one is Salman Khan. The first one is Salman Khan. The second one is sofa. The first one is Salman Khan. Second one is sofa. The third one is television. The third one is television. And the fourth one is Goa. Fifth one is lamp. Sixth one is newspaper. The seventh one is Superman. Eighth one is bike. Ninth one is Himalayas. 10th one is gold. 11th one is Anushka. 12th one is BMW car. 13th one is apples. 14th one is spectacles. 15th one is library. And the 16th one is tiger. 17th one is AK-47. It's a gun. 18th one is India. 19th one is umbrella. 20th one is memory seminar, like this. 21 is Virat Kohli. 22nd is bathroom. 23rd is rainbow. 24th Lord Shiva. 25th is lipstick. 26th is Taj Mahal. 27th is rose. 28th is snake. 29 is bangles. And 30 is Titanic ship. Now I will teach you these 30 words. You can recall one by one. Salman Khan, television, Goa, beach, lamp, newspaper, Superman, bike, Himalayas, gold, Anushka, BMW car, apples, spectacles, library, tiger, AK-47, India, umbrella, memory seminar, Virat Kohli, bathroom, a rainbow, Lord Shiva, lipstick, Taj Mahal, rose, snake, bangles, Titanic ship. So the first one is Salman Khan is coming. Just to see the screen, you see the Salman Khan is coming. And where he is sitting? He is sitting on a sofa. Salman Khan is sitting on a sofa. And what he is doing? He is watching the television. Salman Khan is sitting on a sofa watching the television. Where is doing all these things? He is doing all these things at Goa. Goa, Salman Khan is sitting on a sofa watching television at Goa. Where? Goan beach. Yes. Remember rest 5 words. Salman Khan, sofa, television, Goa, beach. There in the beach you have a lamp. In the beach you have a lamp. So under the lamp what you are doing is reading a newspaper. Salman Khan sitting on a sofa watching the television at Goan beach under the lamp reading a newspaper. So after reading the newspaper, he has become a Superman. Salman Khan has become the Superman. The Superman, what he does is started riding the bike. Superman started riding the bike. Where he goes? He goes to Himalayas. So in the Himalayas, he sees lot of gold. In the Himalayas, he sees lot of gold. So there he meets Anushka. He takes the Anushka, what she does, she takes all the gold and puts inside the BMW car. Anushka taking all the gold from the Himalayas and she's putting inside the BMW car. Okay, in the BMW car, inside the car she is sitting and eating an apple. Anushka is inside the BMW car and she is eating an apple. And after eating the apple, she wears a spectacle. After eating the apple, she wears a spectacle. Salman Khan, sofa, watching a television in Goan beach, under the lamp, reading the newspaper. He becomes Superman and he is riding a bike and goes to Himalayas. In Himalayas is a lot of gold, and there she meets Anushka also. All the gold is taken by Anushka and put inside the BMW car, and in the inside the BMW car they are eating an apple and they are wearing a spectacle. Next comes, after wearing the spectacle, they are going to library. After wearing the spectacle, they are going to library. But in front of the library, there is a big tiger is there. In front of the library, there is a big tiger. So they cannot enter into the library. The funny thing is the tiger is also holding AK-47. The tiger is also holding AK-47. So in the AK-47, we have, it is written as India. It is written as India. Not only that, they are also holding one umbrella. Not only that, they are also holding an umbrella. Salman Khan, sofa, television, Goa, beach, lamp, newspaper, Superman, riding a bike, Himalayas, gold, Anushka, apple, BMW car, apple, spectacles, library. In front of the library we have a tiger. Tiger is having a AK-47 on which it is inscribed as India. They are holding a umbrella. Next comes, they are attending a memory seminar. Memory seminar, this is a famous person Jayasimha. So yes, they are attending a memory seminar. Who are all the people attending? Virat Kohli is attending the memory seminar. From where he is attending? He is attending from his bathroom. Virat Kohli attending a memory seminar from the bathroom. Is it funny, isn't it? In the bathroom, he sees a rainbow. In the bathroom, Virat Kohli is seeing a rainbow. From the rainbow emerges Lord Shiva. From the rainbow emerges Lord Shiva. The Lord Shiva uses lipstick for his lips. Lord Shiva uses lipstick for his lips. Okay. Then what happens? After using lipstick, they are going to Taj Mahal. After using the lipstick, they are going to Taj Mahal. In Taj Mahal, they are presented with a beautiful rose. In Taj Mahal, they are presented with a beautiful rose. One danger thing in the rose is it is surrounded by a snake. The rose is surrounded by a snake. But fortunate thing is the snake is wearing bangles. The snake is wearing bangles. And the snake is making a journey in the Titanic ship. That's it. If you can remember this story, I will repeat one more time. You can remember 30 verses like this. You can remember anything you like. You make a funny story. The first one is Salman Khan, sofa, then watching a television, Goa, beach, under the lamp, is reading a newspaper, is becoming a Superman, riding a bike, goes to Himalayas, there he finds gold, and he meets Anushka in the BMW car, there they eat apple, and they wear spectacles. Immediately wearing spectacles, they go to library. In front of the library, they have a tiger, and the tiger is holding a AK-47 gun. It is inscribed as India, and they are holding a umbrella, and they are also, and one memory seminar is going on. It is attended by Virat Kohli. Where is Virat Kohli? Virat Kohli is in bathroom. In bathroom, he sees a beautiful rainbow. From the rainbow emerges Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva uses lipstick. After using lipstick, Lord Shiva goes to Taj Mahal. In Taj Mahal, they are presented with one rose. In the rose, we have a snake, and the snake is wearing bangles. The snake travels in Titanic ship. If you can recall this simple story, you can remember 30 objects. Awesome! You can give beautiful applause for this cute little girl. You have done a beautiful job. Pardon? Okay. Awesome. You are really great. and one day you will become the international memory champion. I wish you.